Hey, welcome back to another video of Programmer Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add branch in GitHub account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in github.com and click on Enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, open any one of your repository. After that, you can see one branch here. This is the main branch. To add new branch, you need to click on this button here. After that, type in the name of the branch. Now click on Create Branch from Main. As you can see that new branch has been created. So that is how you can create new branch in your GitHub account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.